everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today onwards, today we are going to learn about subtraction of large numbers with borrowing. Okay. In our previous video, I explained you subtraction of large numbers without borrowing, right? So let's take one example. Find the difference or subtract the following. Find the difference. Result of subtraction is difference, right? Find the difference. $6,41,280, 9,58,028. Let's start writing the solution. First, what is our first step? To put the place values. I'm making one table. I'm putting the place values. I'm checking first. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs. So till lakhs, we have to put the place values. Check this number also. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. So, yesterday we learned about in subtraction we are having three terms. What are those terms? What do you call the first term? What do you call the second term? What is the result of subtraction? The second term which we are going to subtract, what do you call this one? Subtrahend, right? The term which we are going to subtract from the first term is nothing but subtrahend. Minuend is the term which we are going to take for subtraction. Okay. The number which is subtracted is called subtrahend. The number from which subtrahend is subtracted is called minuend. The result of subtraction is known as difference. So here that's why we are finding this only. Find the difference means we are doing subtraction. So which one is minuend, which one is subtrahend? See first, the bigger number is our minuend because we will write the bigger number first, then we will write the smaller number below the bigger number. Okay, which one is minuend or which one is subtrahend? See, this is 6,41,280. This is 9,58,028. 9 lakh and 6 lakhs. Which is bigger? This one is bigger. So start writing this. 9,58,028. Next one, which is smaller? This one, right? So below that, right? This one is our minuend. Next one is our subtrahend. 6,41,280. This one is our subtrahend. Okay. We have to put the minus sign. Result of subtraction is known as difference. We will start our subtraction from our left hand side or right hand side, from our right hand side. Let's start our subtraction. Here from ones position we have to start, right? In ones position what we have? 8. From 8 we have to subtract 0. I already told you 0 is not having any value. So 8 minus 0 is 8 only. Okay. 2, from 2 we have to subtract 8. See, 2 is a smaller number, 8 is a bigger number. So we can't subtract 8 from 2. So what we have to take? We have to take borrow. See, if any digit is there in tens place or ones place, if we are unable to subtract that, take borrow from the previous one. What is there after tens? What is there? 100, right? So take borrow. Here also 0 is there. How we can take borrow? Then move to 1,000. Take from here. It will become 7. I am taking 1 carry. I am sending 1 carry. So this will become 10. Okay, write in clear manner. Next one is, this one is 10. Next one I have to take carry here also. This will become 9. I am taking 1. I am taking 1 from 10. This will become 9. This will become 12. Okay. Now, 12 minus 8 is how much? Put a lines or count on your finger, your wish. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. From 12 we have to subtract what? 8. Remove 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are left? 4. Write 4 here. Okay. Or you can count it on your boxes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. From 12 we have to remove 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this also. Next one is, what is our number here? You have to take 9 only. You should not take 10. because we already strike it off. We have taken one carry, we have sent one borrow here. Okay, so from 9 we have to subtract 2. 9 minus 2, take out your 9 fingers, subtract 2 from there. 5, 6, 7, right here 7. Next one is 7, right? 7 minus 1, from 7 we have to remove 1. From 7 we have to remove 1. How many are left? 6. From 5 we have to remove 4. 1. From 9 we have to remove 6. 5, 6. 3 are left, right? So write 3 here. What do you call this one? Difference. Result of subtraction is difference. Therefore, what is our answer? Write it over here. Therefore, what is our minuend? We have to write first minuend, right? 9,58,028 minus 6,41,280 equals. So don't put comma here. Write it separately, that number, and put the comma. So 3,16,748 is our difference, is our answer, right? Let's see one more problem. Find the difference in each case and then verify the answer. I'll show you one different one. Find the difference. I'm taking only one example here in each case, and we are verifying also whether we are getting same answer or not. Let's take one example. This is a little bit different problem. See carefully. We are subtracting as well as we are verifying that our answer is correct or not. Okay. First, what I have to do? I am putting place values. Check it. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. 100, 1000, 10,000. Making one table. Put the numbers. 59,000. Next one is 46,316. First of all, we have to do subtraction. Then we have to verify if we got the correct answer or not. Let's start from 1's position. 0 minus 6 is possible? No, because 0 is a smaller number than 6. So we have to take borrow from 10s. 0 minus, we can't take borrow. Here also 0. We can't take borrow. So here from 9 we have to take borrow. This will become 8. Right here upper side 8. This will become 10. If 1 will come here, see 0 is there, right? When 1 will come here, it will become 10. Okay, it will not become 1. Suppose 0 is there, you can't write 1. When 1 is coming here as a borrower, then it is 10. Okay. So when I am taking borrow from 100, this is 10, right? So it will become 9. I am taking 1 as a borrow. This will become 10. Again, this will become 9. This will become 10. 10 minus 6. Put 10 lines. We have to remove 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, 4 here. Okay. Next one. We have to remove 1 from 9. Our current number is 9, right? So we have to take 9. We have to remove 1 from 9. How? If you are removing 1 from 9, we will get 8. 9 from 3. These are total 9. I am removing 3. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Put 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remove 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are left? 2. Next one. What is our next number? 5. From 5 we have to remove 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? 1. Write it here. We got the answer. We subtracted subtrahend from minuend. We got the answer. What is our answer? 12,684. Now we are going to verify this answer, whether we got the correct answer or not. So in order to verify the answer, we have to add these numbers. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Okay. See here, this is our minuend, this is our subtrahend, this is our difference. So in order to verify, we have to add difference to the subtrahend. In order to verify we got the correct answer, we have to add difference and subtrahend. We will get minuend. Okay, what is our difference answer? Write this, write it over here. Okay, difference. What is our difference? 1,26,084. So 12,684. What is our subtrahend? 46,316. Then add this. For verification, this is for verification. Okay. So here we are writing difference. This is our difference. This is our subtrahend, right? So we will get what? Minuend. We will check after adding. 4 we have to add here. In verification we have to add subtrahend and difference so that we will get minuend. 4 plus 6 is what? 10. Count it. 4. Like this, right? 4 in your mind, 6 on your finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So we have to, I'm writing 0 here, I'm sending 1 carry, right? 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 0. I'm sending 1 carry. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. See, 1 in your mind, 6 on your finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in your mind, 3 on your finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10. 0, I'm sending 1 carry. 1 in my mind, 2 on my finger. After 1, 2, 3. 3 in my mind, 6 on my finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 plus 4, 5. Check we got our minuend is same or not. Our minuend is 59,000, right? 59,000. We got the minuend as 59,000. So therefore, our difference, what we got, the result of subtraction is our correct answer. Okay. We got the correct answer. So the answer is correct. We can write here like this. So the answer. What is our answer? The answer is correct. What is our answer? 12,684. So based on this, I'm going to give you problems like this as well as that one format. So try to do that. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.